On screen text, how to enable Meta AI chat on Messenger, 60-second guide. Narrator, in this quick video, I'll show you exactly what to tap to turn on Meta AI chat in your Messenger app. On screen text, what is Meta AI chat? Narrator, Meta AI is your built-in assistant inside Messenger, ready to answer questions, draft messages, and more right in your chats. On screen text, before you start Narrator, before we start, make sure your Messenger app is updated to the latest version from the App Store or Google Play. On screen text, Step 1, open Messenger Narrator. Step 1, open the Messenger app on your phone and land on the chat screen. On screen text, look for the Meta AI entry Narrator. On the Chats tab, scroll if needed and look for the conversation labeled Meta AI or the Meta AI icon. On screen text, don't see it? Narrator, if you don't see it yet, Meta AI may not be available in your region or on your account just yet. On screen text, Step 2, open Meta AI Chat Narrator. Step 2, tap the Meta AI Chat to open the conversation window. On screen text, Step 3, enable or start Narrator. If you see a welcome card, tap Agree, Enable, or Get Started to turn on Meta AI in this chat. On screen text, Alternative, use /command Narrator. If you don't see a card, type /meta or tap the Meta AI icon next to the message box, then follow the prompts. On screen text, Step 4, ask your first question Narrator. Once enabled, type your first question, like plan a weekend trip or help me draft a message. On screen text, use safely and manage settings Narrator. You can always review privacy and AI settings in your Messenger or Facebook account settings if you want more control. On screen text, you're all set Party Popper Narrator, and that's it. Meta AI chat is now enabled in Messenger. Save this video so you can follow each step again anytime.